man, I probably should have looked. What's up, guys? Sean from Srkcycles.com, and we are rocking the Can-Am RSS. I think this is a 2011. Don't quote me on that one. I know I should know. I know I should know. I don't. Can-Am RSS, rocking the Rotex 990. Now, something cool about this thing is, I mean, it's kind of obvious. The color. This color is awesome. I love how Can-Am, the Spiders, they do some really cool, wild, bright colors. This does have an aftermarket exhaust. It is loud enough to wake the dead. This thing is ridiculously loud. Another unique thing about this one is, you notice...
Hear what he said.
Who was that? I'm not talking to you, phone. You notice it's got one of these guys. What is that, you may ask? That's a clutch. A lot of Can-Ams are automatic. Some of them, my favorite ones, are manual. Now, I know you guys have heard me say this. You hear how loud that is? We do have the fenders for this thing. The guy took them off, I guess for style. Not sure if that's legal or not. You guys have heard me talk about this before, of my big issue, and what you really notice when you first drive a Can-Am, you kind of feel a little bit disconnected. Now, you get over it real quick. You really do. You get over it real quick. You feel disconnected with the automatic transmission. You press the button and it just waits a millisecond, and it shifts. It's not as fast as what you would want it to. But then when you have something like this is all me, baby. This shifts as fast as I want it to, which is exactly what I want. Hold on, why are the hazards on? Why are the hazards on? Why are the there we go. This shifts as fast as I want it to. This is the closest thing you're probably ever gonna get, unless you actually do it, of driving a really wide, giant motor, like four-wheeler. It's kind of what it feels like. This thing's super obnoxiously loud. I think we actually have the stock pipe back inside the shop. Yeah! But giving it the Can-Am with a manual gearbox just brings this thing back. It makes it so, I know you guys are gonna hate what I'm gonna say, but it makes it so much closer to the motorcycle feeling than the automatic does. You can do burnouts, you can drift it a little bit easier. But you have the power. Watch this. Bam, downshift. I'm gonna jump this bridge up here. I'm not. Well, I'm thinking about it. Nah. Beautiful out. Oh no! I lost my words of wisdom. Guys, words of wisdom. Words of wisdom. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. I was going to go up that, but I might hit the front. That whosoever believes in him should not perish. Yo, this would be a sick picture. Hold up. I'm just going to do this real quick. This would be sick. No, it might be better up here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Is that the thumbnail picture right there, guys? That is a good... That thing is cool looking. I just love the color. I love that flat black. I love that it's manual. I'm gonna try something. Yeah. Oh man, I probably should have looked. Alright, good news. Traction control still happens. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This Can-Am is a bad influence on me. It's just so loud. It's so cool looking. On your gauge cluster, you got RPMs. My parking brake's not on. There we go. You got speedometer. You got your analog, digital. These are kind of duplicating what's on the inside there. You got your gear indicator. And this, of course, because it's pre, I don't know, I think they changed it in 14 or 15. With the 990 is a 5-speed, and when it was automatic, it was also a 5-speed. Now, I know these things look super awesome without fenders. If it were me, I would probably put the fenders back on it. Let me show you guys something about Can-Am. It's super funny. When you go to start it, it won't let you start it. You have to press, it tells you on their read manual, read safety card. And you read the whole thing, and then at the very end, it tells you how to start it by pressing this little button on the back up there with your index finger. I think they actually want you to read the safety card every single time. Now, when it comes to handling performance on a Can-Am, these things can handle very well. They've got traction control, stability control, and all those things, so you can't two-wheel it. You can't, trust me, I've tried very hard. You can't two-wheel it. You can't get one side corner wheel off the ground. But what you got to keep in mind is this thing stays flat, just like in a car. So you turn it by turning the wheel, just like a car, not like a motorcycle. If it was a motorcycle, and this is where the big disconnect actually comes when it comes to these Can-Ams, and why people are like, I don't like that, that's a little weird. If you've been riding a motorcycle, if you've been riding a car, it's perfectly natural. Because what you have to do, when you lean on a motorcycle, you're already leaning. The bike is leaning and you are leaning with the bike. With this, you're not. So if I'm trying to turn real hard, I'm gonna hang over. I'm gonna lean over to the other side and really kind of stop me from just feeling like I'm getting thrown on the opposite side of where I'm going. And that makes a big difference with how you feel comfortably. Watch this. I'm going to not do it on this corner. And I feel like I'm out of control, you know what I mean? I'm going the opposite way. A little scary. But just keep in mind, you just got to lean with it. All right. I'm going left. I'm going right. Honestly, this thing is way too loud. If you like loud stuff, this could be the thing for you. If you don't, and you still like this bike, this Can-Am Spider, check with us. I think we have the stock exhaust at the shop. I think we have all the stock parts for it. The fenders and the exhaust. Alright guys, that wraps it up. I am Sean from Srkcycles. Oh yeah, let me remind you. I don't know when you're watching this video, but we opened up pre-orders of our new motorcycle gloves. If you're wondering why I'm wearing 2 different gloves, it's because I'm showcasing, well, right now I don't have a whole set of any of them, but I'm showcasing these gloves. This is 508 cruiser style, lined with Kevlar. This one is a tactical, you know, more like sport bike, supermoto. Probably might fit this bike a little bit better. Lined with super fabric. If you click on the link below, you can actually get it on the pre-order. It's probably the cheapest these prices will ever be on these gloves. Alright guys, that wraps it up. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding. It is not what you're riding. But where are you going? We'll see you guys later. If you like that video and you want to see more of them, click on the subscribe button. And if you guys didn't know, we also have a motorcycle dealership, Srkcycles.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the country. We have one of the largest inventories in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, which probably means nothing to you because you probably don't live in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. But we have a decent amount of bikes. So check out the first link on the bottom is the website, Srkcycles, and we'll see you guys later.